Alright, so this is the Christmas twist step-by-step tutorial. We're going to start with our right, we're going to go right, back with our left, right, together, and then we're going to pop our hip out twice. Same thing to the left. Left, right, back, left, together, pop, out, leg. And do that, and then you're going to step together, step together, step together, step together. Once you do that 4 times, you're still going to kind of step together, but you're going to do it to the back. And then you're going to go back to the right, right, left leg back, right, together, pop, pop, left, right leg, left, together, pop, pop. Snap, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the front. Once you do that, you're going to do your twist. You're going to do this for 8 counts, so like go down, come up, just make it your own. So you're going to do that for 8 counts. Once you do that, you're going to kind of kick your legs out in a circle, if that makes sense. You just kind of kick in a circle, do whatever you want with your hands. And then you're going to do the jerk with your right arm first. So you're going to go up, up, 1, 2. Then same thing, but start with your left. 1, 2. And then you're going to step, you're going to jump up. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do whatever you want with your hands. I put them in the front and snap. And then you're going to do a mini twist for just a 4 count, not an 8 count this time. Then you're going to go back to your line dance. Right, right, together, pop, pop. Left, right, left, together, pop, pop. Step together, step. To the back. Right, left, right, together, pop, pop. Left, right, left, pop, pop. Step, 2, 3, 4, step, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go back to your twist. So twist, jump in a circle, jerk, step, 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 and then a mini twist. So after you do that, you're going to do the jazz square. So you're going to take your right leg, go up, take your left leg, go over it, take your right leg, step back, and step back with your left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do the jazz square twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that, you're going to do the backstroke. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to shimmy up to the front and flip your hand. So, and then you're going to do the twist again. And you're going to do the kicks again. And you're going to do the jerk again. Step, 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 step. Shimmy low. And you're going to shimmy again. And you're going to do all of that again until the song's over. So you're going to shimmy for 8, jump for 8, jerk for 8, steps for 8. And you're going to shimmy basically until the song's over. And whenever it's over, you're just going to put your hands up. And that's the whole song. So we'll go over it together. So we're going to go right, right together, bump, bump. Left, right, left together, bump, bump. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, turn, 2, turn, back, right, left together, bump, bump, left, right, left together, bump, bump, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, turn, to the front. You're going to twist for 8 counts. And then you're going to jump. And do the jerk. Then you're going to step up, step back, step up, step back, and you're going to do a mini twist. Then we're going to go back to the line. Right, right together, bump, bump. Left, left together, bump, bump. To the back. Right together, bump, bump. Left, right together, bump, bump. Step, touch. Back to the front. Twist some more. Jump some more. Jerk. Up, back, mini twist. Now the jazz square. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, backstroke, backstroke, shake up, 2, 3, then kind of move your hands around because you'll have extra time. And then you're going to do your twist. Just a 4 count this time. Jumps, don't go in a circle, and then jerk just once. step up, step back, step up, step back. Mini twist, and then big twist. 8 counts, and then 8 counts of jumping. Jerk. Step forward, step back, step forward, step back. Twist. If you want, you can jump again. Twist.